Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change appearance of Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select this one drop down settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings on the right side, scroll down to this one theme section. Here you will find this one option light, auto and dark. You can select light for light theme, dark for dark appearance, and auto. In case you select this one auto option, this will pick appearance of your Windows 11 or 10 system. In case you use light appearance for your Windows PC, then Opera GX will adopt light appearance, and in case you use dark appearance for your Windows operating system, then Opera GX will automatically wear dark mode